So, let's say you've recently decided to take up dirt bike riding as a hobby. But while trying to learn how to ride a dirt bike, you collect numerous scratches from, let's call them involuntary dismounts. It's kind of nice having a new looking bike, so let's go ahead and fix some of these scratches. When the scratches are light, I just use steel wool. All of the body panels are made out of plastic, so for light scratches it doesn't take a lot of effort to remove them. But for the deeper scratches, I had to move up to a fine grit, wet, dry sandpaper. I rinse the sandpaper out pretty often. It doesn't take long for the plastic to fill it up. The white plastic was actually the easiest part to repair. It's extremely thick, and as long as dirt's not in the scratch, it hides scratches very well. Here's our before picture, and our after sanding picture. My front fender before picture, and after sanding picture. Now here's the drawback to sanding on the blue plastic. Notice it's now kind of hazy. I've lost that shiny look. You can really see it on the side panels. This is not sanded, and this haze is sanded. To fix this problem, I went out and looked for some paint that matches. This is a gloss deep blue. I've tried several different paints, and so far this comes the closest. Before you paint over the side panels, make sure you tape over your decals. You don't want to lose them. I put 3 coats of paint on, allowing it to dry in between each coat. After the paint has dried, you can go back and peel the tape off of your decals. So we've gone from this to this. So I'm still looking for a deeper blue paint. But even though it's not an exact match to Yamaha blue, the bike looks a lot better than when we started. Now you can go out and get started on a whole new set of scratches. This is my first ride after my paint job, and Ron was more than willing to help me out here. Well, thanks for watching.